Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and today I'm at Pacoche. Pacoche is a refuge for, monkeys and like tarantulas and all sorts of different plants, and it's a walk. I think it's a 3/4 of a mile walk around the whole refuge, and it's a tour place for Manta, Ecuador. And so I'm going to take you through there and walk. I made this video once before, but it didn't take, so I have to make another one. And so this isn't the front of it, but you'll get the point. Anyway, let me take you on the refuge walk. Let's do it. Okay, let me turn this camera around a little bit, and then I'll show you. I mean, it goes down here. And so it's called Pacoche, and I'm sure I am saying it wrong, but you have to stay on the path, you have to go with a guided person. It's 750 meters long, monkey passage trail. Oops, can you see that? Make sure my camera is all lined up. I always end up looking at the sign and reading it and not paying attention to the camera, but that's Eric for you. Anyway, monkey passage trail, distance 0.47 miles, so half a mile, so nothing. Cameras, monkeys, don't pick the flowers, don't pet the animals, don't feed the animals. But anyway, and this shows you the walking trail, and it looks like it takes you all the way down to the water. So anyway, very cool. Okay, and it looks like a pretty dense, crazy jungle too, by the way. Okay, I'll be back.
Oscar Burao. Bienvenidos. Estamos en el sendero Pasaje del Mono. Esto es parte del refugio de vida Pacoche. Nosotros estamos aquí y vamos a avanzar hasta acá. Y ahora tú. ¿Sí?
Down and back. Down to the water and then back up to the top. Okay.
There's no water there, maybe a little. You go all the way to the half and then come back to the same way.
Okay.
Okay.
He's a good guide, so you guys will enjoy.
Okay.
He's very good.
No
English, but very good. A little bit.
No tocas.
No talking.
Don't touch the stuff.
Okay.
Well,
Claro.
you
And
can
don't bring your dog.
touch this,
and
but
don't
before
litter.
you touch any plant, you can tell him if you can touch it, because there's only like 2 plants on the ground that are ishy. But
Yeah.
if you want to touch it, you ask him tocar, and then he said yes, you touch it.
Tukar, to touch. Okay. Okay.
Vamos a ver. Additional plant is the name is caña agria. Caña agria. ¿Sí?
Bitter sugar cane. Bitter cane.
But it's medicine?
Sí.
Ah.
Its family is guadua cane. Its family. Pero esta es una caña más pequeña.
Okay.
¿Sí? Okay. Es medicinal, sirve para expulsar toxinas de la vejiga urinaria, los cálculos renales, ¿sí?
The kidneys. Yeah.
¿Sí? Y para consumirla se puede usar la hoja en agua caliente,
Put
como
the leaf
tea.
in hot water.
¿sí? The flower también se pueden comer.
Ah. I didn't even see the flower. Ooh.
Oh, se puede comer.
Very good.
Very good.
No. I'll try a piece.
Sí,
Okay.
van a querer más.
Let me try this here. Okay, let me try this here. So I'm gonna turn this camera on. So I'm gonna eat this plant. So
Ustedes ahí sienten la agria. Esta de acá viene a tener parentesco con la caña de azúcar. Pero
okay.
la caña de azúcar es dulce a lo que uno la mastica, ¿sí? La de aquí es ácida y agria, por eso el nombre caña agria. En toda la planta tiene los poderes medicinales para limpiar la sangre y para expulsar cálculos, ¿sí? Crece hasta este tamaño y una vez que crece hasta la altura máxima da estos especies de piñuelos que da las flores ahí, van saliendo flores de este lugar, de este lugar, de este lugar.
Oh, yeah.
Poco a poco. Una vez que da flores todas, se marchita. ¿sí? Y la planta pues sigue ahí.
Okay. Onward and upward. It certainly is a thick, deep jungle. And the bamboo goes way, 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 way up there. It's pretty amazing.
Es una planta medicinal, es medicinal, ¿sí? Ayuda con el azúcar en la sangre, ayuda a eliminar, ¿sí? Muchos la conocen como el meloncillo, o también le dicen cun de amor, ¿sí? Muchos la dicen que esto se come la tunada,
Oh.
que son frutos muy dulces. Estas son semillas dulces. Muy dulces.
Sweet. Very sweet.
¿Quieren probar?
It is sweet.
It's better than the first one.
No, I'm good. It doesn't look like gummy bear.
Muy buena. Y ayuda a eliminar todas esas toxinas. Sale de forma natural y es también una planta endémica de acá.
Okay. So we've got these translators and all these people with us, but the plants are really pretty. Wow, I kind of like that one. Okay, I'll be back.
Sacan el agave
So
y posteriormente tequila.
I think this is why they make
Aquí en Ecuador,
tequila plants.
la zona
And it's
rural
also
de
a
la
fence.
serranía y en Quito, en Cotopaxi, cuando la planta tiene 10 años, le vuelan hojas del centro y le hacen un agujero de unos 20 centímetros.
So they cut the top off and dig out the
Después
base,
vuelve a la
and then
semana,
they
la persona recoge el
process
líquido
it for
que hay ahí.
tequila, pull out
Y
the
ese
middle,
fermentado
if I
lo
understand things
ponen
right.
que es el shower whiskey. Shower whiskey. Es en la bebida de los dioses porque es un fermentado un poco dulce.
And they
sí,
ferment
y
it.
fuerte.
Tequila.
Sí, yes.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Wow. So you can't touch that one plant, it's bad. But the cane, the bamboo is okay, but the other one is not okay.
¿Ven esa cañita finita que está allá?
So this is a rubber tree plant, but the leaf is like velvet. And it's going for the bush, for the sun, but it's a rubber tree plant. Interesting. Huh. All right, there's a howler monkey up there, or a monkey of some kind, and they sleep in the tree. See the fruit in the tree? Huh.
Está dormido. Sí podríamos llegar.
And I saw some branches moving, but I haven't seen a monkey.
¿Quieren ir donde el mono?
Sí.
¿Seguro? Come on. Vengan, come on, come on.
Oh, thank you. So we're gonna go see this monkey.
Es termite.
I thought so.
Es
I
termite.
thought it was a termite.
Es termite.
It's not
And you
one.
can see the bananas too.
Pero los monos así se duermen.
Okay. Oop.
Yo pensé que era...
Porque es nuevo. recién
I guess we're done.
pero yo pensé que era
No monkey. It's a
Pero bueno que no.
termite mound or something. I don't know. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna help. I'll be right back.
The fruit. Its fruit is tomate.
Oh, yeah.
¿Sí? Tomate. Is medicinal. Antiinflamatorio. ¿Sí? Ese fruto todavía le falta.
Big fruit. Medicinal.
Le hacen vino. Vino. El vino sirve para...
It's hard because I think the translator forgets to translate. But it's okay. I kind of get it. It certainly is just a big jungle. If you had to hack your way through this, you'd be in trouble. But I like that. And mosquito juice to keep the mosquitoes off is probably pretty important because they're all over. Okay, just so you know. Cool. Okay. And I still don't see no monkeys. Or alligators or turtles. Or crocodiles. Or dwarfs. Okay. I'll be back. I gotta get back to the group.
La diferencia del mono araña es que tiene extremidades muy largas y ese lo hace
Wow. I don't know if you can see him with this camera very well. Oh, there he is, a little tiny baby going across. Huh. There's one way over there too. Let me make sure my camera's level. And let me see if I can.
Este es un macho, ¿ves? Este es macho. Sí. Este va a ir es un macho. Se le den las masculinidades. Ya. ¿Sí lo ves?
See him jumping across that tree?
Y ahí viene una cría, ¿no?
Wow. I'll be back.
Tiene todas estas púas porque en su interior tiene el palmito. ¿Se han comido palmito y el palmito?
It's a palm tree, but it's got
En los
spikes covering it.
comisariatos, en unos frasquitos,
Going down is okay, but going up is
venden
not.
unos tallitos blancos que lo sacan de aquí adentro. Es el tallo interior largo. La madera es excelente. ¿Sí?
It's mahogany wood.
Tan buena como
Strong.
en Guayacán. Sí, tan buena.
This is a mahogany
Sí,
tree,
una puerta,
mahogany wood.
muebles, puertas, guitarras, pianos
Ah.
que pasan de más allá de 900 años.
Es muy caro, ¿eh?
Sí, es muy caro, sí. Este arbolito tiene 27 años.
Wow, 27.
Sé que tiene ese tiempo porque yo soy el guía más antiguo de acá, ¿no? Y yo ya guiaba desde el año 97.
Cool.
Desde ese entonces ya tenía un tamaño pequeño. Lo he visto crecer.
All right, hang on.
This is monkey, howler monkey. Quiere salir. Esa es la patita. No quiere salir. ¿Te viene la patita?
In there.
No, no.
He's not coming. Alpha male. Yep. He's in charge. That's the alpha male. Tenemos donde viven. Tenemos sí.
Let's see if I use a just like fishing. Oh, there's his leg. I can see his leg. Come on, little guy. If he jumps out of that hole, I'm running. Ooh, can you see his leg in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't think he's coming out. Bye.